Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how we can get the Cavern Dweller in Fish It Roblox. So the Cavern Dweller is hiding in the secret or inside the sacred temple in ancient jungle. So you just need to watch this quick guide to see the exact location and the bait combo I used to reel in this shadow loving fish. So this is how the Cavern Dweller look like. I got the big one in here, and this is where you can find it. So first you need to go to inside the ancient jungle, go to the sacred temple, and here this is the ancient ruin where you can get the fish. And for the exact location, let me show you where I got the fish. So actually I got the fish in this exact location, this one in here, right in front of this rock. And for the rods combo, I'm using the element rod and also the singularity bait. So just try your luck to get the Cavern Dweller. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.